Welcome back. From the previous video, we've been able to set up a bootstrap of a one-page website. And in this video 4, we'll be looking at how to set up a new layer page and a new razor page. Now, we have index and we have layout in the previous video. This is the default. Now, if I run the application now, it's going to run from the index page. It's going to route it through the layout, and we'll see our one-page website displaying. This was from the previous video. Now, if you miss out of this, you can quickly go and you can check the previous video. You see how we do it step by step, how to lay a bootstrap template on a razor page. Now, in this video, we now want to add a new layout of our own, and we want to create another page, and we want the page that we create to run through the new layout that we want to set up. So now let's start. So I'm going to create a folder here. So I'll right click, I click on add. So from add, I'll go to new folder. So inside the new folder, I'm going to be calling the name of the folder site pages. I'm going to be having pages inside that folder. So inside the site pages, I want to quickly create my razor page. So I click an empty razor page. I click on razor page. So and like I said, I'm going to create an empty razor page. So I want to add home. I want to call this page, I want to call it home. I have index before, so let me call this home. So I'm adding this. So I'm adding the home as a new page inside the site page folder that I have. So when you look at this now, it's just a blank page. There's nothing in there. So by way of differentiating, let me quickly do the tag, and each one tag. So let me do an each one tag. So I'm going to call it new home. I'm going to call it new home page. I'm going to call it new home page. I'll save this. Now, I haven't done this. I want to let me create a view data here. I'm going to create a view data. Okay, this should be data. To create a view data, so that my view data will be able to route through my layout. So I have this. So I call this title, and again I said is equal to, okay, come here. I said is equal to, create a double column, and I said dot double column, what should I call that? Call it multiple sites. So I close this. Okay, this is I just create like a title. All right, so I'm going to leave it at this point. So now let me quickly create my new layout. So I right click on the shared folder. I right click on the shared folder here, because we know that we have an existing layout there before. So I want to use the share folder. It is good we put our layouts inside the share folder. So I'll go to add. So I want to add a new item. I'm adding a new item this time around. So I'm going to scroll down to where I'm going to see layout templates. I click on layout template. So I'm going to be changing this name to multiple sites. Multiple site, that's the name I want to change it to. So I just create my new layout. I give it a name, multiple site inside the shared folder. So now what I'm going to do to that is that I will now try to create my title page. No, I have a view bag here initially. So let me just put a knife in, and I said home page. Alright, just say home page now. Let me quote this again. I put it like that. That's fine. Now, if I run this browser now, I have my new layout and I have my page here as well. So what I want to do now, let me have this. Okay, if I run this now, let me run this. This is still going to run through the default layout and the index that we have. I will now change the route to my new page. So this is the default page. So let me just change the route now. I put slash and I said slash site home. Alright, let me enter this. Now you can see this is my new home page, the new home page of the new page I just set up. But this is still calling the layout, default layout that we have before. It's not calling my multiple site layout. So how do I make it call my multiple site layout? Is very easy. So what I need to do is I need to change the layout route. I'm going to do that on the home page. I'll come to my home site and I'm going to come up here. I'm going to tell that, okay, the layout I want to be page. You can see the page shared, and I'll give you the name. So I'm able to give the address of my new layout. If I save this and I run it at this time, I should have this layout, this multiple sites as my layout this time around. Let me run this. Let's see what we are going to have. Let's wait till it's run. Okay, now I have my page is loading the default page. So let me redirect to the home page. Okay, now we can see I have my multiple sites and I have my home page. And you can see the address here, and also I have it here. It's calling the home, it's calling the new page that I have set up. Now with this, now we've been able to call our new layout that we call multiple sites, and we've been able to open it through our home page that we set up. Now, if this video has been so helpful, I want you to like our page, subscribe, click the bell, and as we release the subsequent video, you'll be able to see how to use Razor page very, very well. Thank you for this. We'll continue in the next video.